I was offered the opportunity to be part of the second edition of the High Performance Leadership course, which is run by the ELMS and the Reliance Foundation, and I grabbed it with both my hands. The decision to be part of this course has turned to be a really good one. I'm just going to share a few takeaways and experience from the course for everyone watching this video. So the course has been divided into 5 modules, which are extremely meaningful and relevant in the current scenario of the Indian sporting ecosystem. It addresses various facets of a sports organization, um, gives you an insider look at different global practices, also in a way challenges your notion and gets you really questioning and thinking about how things can be done differently in your own organizations. Um, the sessions are conducted remarkably by topic experts from across the world. During the course, we were provided with reading materials a week prior to the online sessions, and that allowed us enough time to go through the really interesting and informative content, which in turn got us prepared for the expert led sessions. It was unlike any usual online session where information is usually shared one way. The experts and moderators really pushed us all to ask questions, and we also used to have activities which we would do in small groups. And I believe that just adds to the experience of learning and makes it much more richer and valuable. Uh, and the best part about this course is that you get to interact and hear from a very diverse set of people who are taking this course. I believe our batch had representatives from all walks of the sports ecosystem, right from administrators to athletes, sports journalists, coaches, referees, and more. This just gives a very well rounded perspective of the topic being addressed or discussed. Um, Also, the ELMS team is really supportive throughout the course, and they're there to help you out if need be. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to complete the remainder of the course, which involves group and individual projects. And just to sum up the whole video, I believe this particular course has been a really fruitful and enriching experience for me, and wish that it's the same for everyone else who plan to take the course as well.